Where are we today? Today, we are at Universal Studios City Walk in Orlando, Florida. We are here today because after months of waiting, City Walk's widely awaited newest restaurant, Bigfire, is doing its soft opening, and we are so excited. When Emeril's was shuttered, there was a lot of speculation as to what it would be replaced by. And when news broke it was going to be an American restaurant with an emphasis on fire-cooked meals, we knew we would be trying this as soon as it opened. It looks amazing. And we are super hungry. So, let's eat. Come along. We have a lot to show you. Florida Family Insiders. Every day is an adventure. Even though it is open, it is currently their soft opening. This means that we are one of the first people to get to try out Bigfire before their grand opening to the public. The restaurant is impressive with its large open dining rooms and giant windows, one of which you can see the chefs cooking your food in front of a large fire. It's dramatic and fun. The ceilings really are dramatically high, with industrial lighting and wood paneling. Plaids are also featured in the decor. The menu features hearty American classics like buttermilk fried chicken and both petite and large steaks like the Creekstone Cowboy Ribeye, which clocks in at 16 ounces. The kids menu has a great selection, and I know my kids will be happy with beef and chicken kebabs. I'm intrigued by the walnut pesto with peach preserves on the chicken sandwich. I think I'll try that. They can also do a root beer float if you ask. My husband decided to try the smoked amber ale, and I opted for a sage apple sour. Drinking.
The Bigfire smoked amber. It's delicious. It's an ale with a smoky flavor.
How's the water, Ian? This is really refreshing.
Really good. We can make that at home.
Yeah, no, it has sage in it, and I'm not always a fan of sage, believe it or not. However, this is really refreshing. Here, they are known for their large whiskey selection and their signature craft cocktails. There are a few bars at Bigfire and a huge drink selection to choose from. Ask your bartender what they recommend if you can't decide. The hearth-baked bread has been on my mind since I saw the menu preview, so we ordered that to start. The crust is super rustic, and the preserves and herb butter accompanying it are great. Take a peek into the kitchen if you're passing by. It's worth a look to see your food cooked over fire. I ordered my sandwich with the smashed potatoes, which are lightly crushed potatoes that are then deep fried and sprinkled with salt. They were delicious. The smoked cheddar on my chicken sandwich really added flavor. The mac and cheese with the pork belly was also really delicious. Ian and Killy loved the chicken and beef skewers with potato wedges. The scalloped potatoes were a huge hit with my husband, and the roasted veggies with peppers had a nice flavor. If you're a fan of bone-in roasted chicken, this dish is for you.
What is that? A gratin? What do you think?
Ooh, time.
The buttermilk fried chicken was amazing. It's large pieces of chicken with a crispy batter and was a total hit. S'mores are a summertime favorite, and Bigfire does them tableside. The menu says for 2.
Okay, to start now?
Yeah, of course.
All right.
Graham crackers, you have your marshmallows, you have vanilla and chocolate.
What is this? Oh, those are chocolate and marshmallows.
But there was enough to keep my whole family entertained. And messy.
Don't be angry.
The kids had a blast.
Yeah, we're supposed to see
Wow,
this.
Hold on.
Those are called s'mores. Look at Mama made.
That is a s'more.
Whoa, that's good.
This is actually quite ridiculous.
Hey, Lala. Oh, La made a good one. That's who was supposed to make it. Ooh.
Look at what?
As you can see, we really enjoyed our dinner here at Bigfire. There were no leftovers to take home, thanks to my husband. Outside of the restaurant, there are lounge chairs and backyard games that add to the feel of a summer experience. It's a great place to take a break from the chaos of the parks and City Walk. We definitely recommend checking it out. The food is amazing, the service is outstanding, and it feels like home. What more can you ask for?
Let's go to the toilet.
Let's go, Spider-Man. Let's go meet Spider-Man. You want to go meet Spider-Man? Get in.
Time to go to...
Meet Spider-Man. We're going to show him that you're Spider-Man, too. All right, come on.
Bye-bye for now. As always, thanks for watching. Let us know what you think of this video in the comments, or if there is somewhere you think we should cover next. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more Florida Family Insiders fun. Until next time.